feeling smooth today, we are going to learn Players, Baby Come Back. We've got a capo here at the 3rd fret, just makes it a bit more friendly for everybody. And we're going to learn the chords. If you want the chart, you can grab it at Patreon. We're going to start off with an F major 7. Now, if you're just starting out and you want to have a go at this song, it's not totally impossible, right? You could play an F major 7 like that. If you know what you're doing a bit, put C in the bass, and if you want to put a root in the bass, you can put F here with your thumb. Effectively, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so I'm just strumming 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. And then E minor 7. Bow, down, 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 down. See what I mean? If you want to play E minor 7, you play one finger, put the extra 7 in there, that's a note D. Up to you. Full, that one, there's loads of different options here. So, F major 7, down, E minor 7, F major 7. We're going to play that again, we're still in the intro here. Here we're going to play a full bar of F major 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's the intro. Now what happened there is we had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and effectively it's a bar of 2 just before a bar of 4. All right, then you have the verse. Da, da, bum, bum, bum. E minor 7 again, exactly the same run. F major 7. I'm going to do this one more time. All right, now we're going to play a bar of F major 7. And then we're going to play G over A, which basically means we're just going to go, so this is G major, right? Now, what G over A means, you're going to play G with an A in the bass, right? Where's an A? Here's an A. So effectively we've got all the notes of G and with an A in the bass. And then you resolve into A major. It's a super common 70s trick, all right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and baby come back. F major 7, this is the chorus. E minor, A minor. Now, what you noticed about the G over A to the A and the E minor 7 to the A minor there is that we're anticipating, right? So we're going F major 7 at the beginning of the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and, right? It's very important you catch that. Don't play it on the 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Don't do that. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we're going to play a D minor 7, E minor 7, and then A minor. Now, in this bar of A minor, there's a riff, and it's not impossible to catch. Just runs up the key of A minor. Basically, it goes A, B, C, D, E, G. Right? Oh, I know those aren't the real notes because of the capo, but you know what I mean, right? So 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 0, right? And then we're going to catch F major 7 again. 1, 2, 3, E minor 7, D minor, E minor 7. This is where some people, if you're just starting out, you're thinking, oh, it was pretty good up to there, F major 7, E minor 7, and now we've got a bar chord. So this is B flat major 7. What we could do, if you were sort of starting out, you could play like this. You could even just catch those middle notes, yeah? You'll still get the vibe of the B flat major 7 there. So you're getting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Make sense? But if you're happy doing that, do that, right? B flat major 7. And then the first time we play, there's a down, da 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 da, right? And then it comes back into the verse and we play it exactly like we did the first time. So that means there's 8 bars in the verse, F major 7, E minor 7, 3 times, and then F major 7, that GA. Chorus 2. Right, so this is the second time we're hitting the chorus. D minor, E minor 7, A minor, walk up, F major 7, E minor, A minor, D minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and... Now this time, instead of playing F major 7 and E minor, we play G sus4, which is a regular G here. Now, just loosen up this finger, so you get that. That's the sus4 there, C, G, G, A, B, C is the 4th note, right? And then you're gonna play G. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and another anticipated, all right? Then we get the bridge. This is E flat major 7. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. E flat major 7, B flat major 7. Now again, if you weren't comfortable playing, you know, one of these, you can just play that. Go from here to the 1, 2, just hitting those strings only, right? E flat major 7, B flat major 7, E flat major 7, B flat major 7. All right, E flat major 7. Then we're going to go D minor. This is G minor 7, right? You can see that I've got my finger all the way across, right? You could just do that if you were starting out. Right? And then G sus4. We hit 2 of those on the anticipated. We go like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now the second bar is actually 6 beats long, right? It's when the guy goes for the crazy falsetto, right? So you get like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and then Baby Come Back comes in on that 6. So you're like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Na na. Right, and you go back into the chorus. When you get through the chorus, you then run into the coda, which has that sort of slow up part. So you go, Baby Come Back, chorus. I'll just play it through for you so you see what I mean. E minor, D minor, E minor, A minor, run. F major 7, E minor, A minor, D minor, E minor. Two, 3, 4, and 2 and 3, and then begin. Bow, 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 bow. And then, Baby Come Back. I think there's a guitar solo here. Maybe. And that is the whole song. If you've liked this lesson, give me a like. I'm a needy musician. That's how you play Baby Come Back by Play. If you want the chart, I've got a chord chart written up. You can grab that over at Patreon. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye for now.